Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Commodity TV with a mining news flash, still out of our vacation studio here in Austria. And there's so much going on in the gold and silver universe, I would say. Gold over $2,000, silver at $26, as we predicted it the last months and also the last years already. And so it's time for a mining news flash with Trillium Gold and Endeavour Silver. Trillium Gold Mines signed an agreement to acquire the Rivard property, contiguous to their Newman Todd property in the Red Lake Mining District in Ontario. Russell Starr, CEO of Trillium Gold, stated, "The Rivard property adds another significant piece to our exploration package in Red Lake. The property includes an on-strike extension to the Newman Todd zone, the NTZ called, to the southwest of our current land holding and adds a new exploration dimension with the high-grade gold veins that have been mined on surface by the Rivard family to the northwest in the footwall of the NTZ. They plan to initiate an aggressive exploration program on this very underexplored and highly prospective property. The Rivard property consists of one lease of 6 contiguous mineral claims encompassing 90 hectares. Upon completion of the transaction, Trillium will acquire a 100% interest in the property, subject to a 1.5% NSR royalty by completing payments totaling $400,000 and 400,000 shares over 3.5 years. The company has the right to repurchase half of the royalty, which is 0.75%, for consideration of $1.2 million payable in cash or shares. In addition, the company has a right of first refusal should the holders of the royalty sell the royalty in the future. Previous drill results showed 13.16 grams gold per ton over 9 meters and almost 21 grams gold per ton over 1 meter drilled by Rubicon Mineral. Another set of drill results done by E-Energy Ventures showed over 12.3 grams gold per ton and over 2 meters in hole EE0805 and grade plus 34 grams gold per ton over 1.5 meters in hole EE00715 and 28.6 grams gold per ton over 2.9 meters. Surface channel sample results showed 188 grams gold per ton in a fire assay, or over 80 grams gold per ton in pulp and metallic over 45 centimeters, and 28 grams also in fire assay, and almost 54 grams gold per ton in pulp and metallic over 30 centimeters. The confirmation of geological data has been initiated with a drill program expected to commence later this year. The stock started already to move higher on the back of the gold price this morning above $2,020 per ounce. Gold and silver are broken out, and it is wise to have a look on good companies who will perform fast. Another company is Endeavour Silver, who really made the turnaround now. The silver gold producer showed good Q2 2020 results. The net revenue stood at $20.2 million from the sale of almost 635,000 ounces of silver and over 5,200 ounces of gold at average realized price of $1,704 per ounce of silver and $1,862 per ounce of gold. At precious metals prices today, this shall improve significantly this quarter. The cash flow is $1.9 million from operations before working capital changes and EBITDA of $1.2 million, notwithstanding the suspension of mining for all of April and parts of May. The company had a loss of $3.3 million or 2 cents per share, which included $2.2 million in care and maintenance costs during the mine suspension period and $1.1 million in general and administrative expenses related to the mark-to-market of deferred share units due to the higher share price. Improved operating performance and higher precious metal prices significantly reduced losses both quarter-on-quarter and year-on-year. The balance sheet looks much better with a cash position of $30.5 million and a working capital of $44.6 million. Term liabilities consist solely of equipment loans of $11 million to upgrade the mobile equipment. The company raised $21.7 million in equity financing using the ATM facility, net of issuance costs. Important is now the view on the operating costs. The cash cost was $2.78 per ounce payable silver, and all-in sustaining costs, the AIC, were only $14.91 per ounce payable silver, both net of gold credits. Cash cost and AIC were substantially lower, both quarter-on-quarter and year-on-year, due to the improving operating performance at CV and the higher realized gold price that increased the byproduct credit. The lower AIC was partly offset by increased capital expenditures at Bolañitos to effect the operating turnaround. The CV mine continued to outperform despite the mine suspension period. The mine free cash flow, this is the cash from operating activities less capital expenditures, was $2.7 million as processed tons, silver and gold grades and recoveries continued well above plan. The operational turnaround and transition to mining the new higher-grade Alcursor, Milache and SCS ore bodies had a significant positive impact on the operating performance. Bolañitos also is now in the real turnaround and did well. Compass generated a free cash flow too of $1.1 million as the restart was slower than CV due to a smaller stockpile and greater focus on mine development and grade control during the ramp-up period. Gold grades trended higher during the quarter while silver grades remained low due to variations in the ore body. Endeavour Silver had continued exploration success with positive drill results from the Alcursor area at CV and the Meladito area at Bolañitos. Good news! And silver today around $26 and gold at $2,000 per ounce will boost the margins. Also, I think the financing of Terronera now shouldn't be really a problem. Trillium starts with the drilling soon and we expect a steady news flow here too. Me and all my team are shareholders in one and are all stocks presented, and they are or will be included into the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Austria.